Hi guys, Fluffy here and welcome to techbeatph.com, and we're here to do a real-world review and unboxing of another phone, this time the Vivo Y71. We recently did an unboxing of the Vivo V9. You can click it in the card. Now, so let's go around and see how the Y71 stacks up to the rest of the phones in the Vivo lineup.
Now let's unbox the phone. Right off the box, you can see the phone. This phone does not have the usual gum protector that usually comes with the phones nowadays. So this is the phone. Let's power it up. Let's put it on and see what comes in the box. As you can see here, documentation. The key for the slot for the SD or the SIM card, a set of earphones, the power cable, and the power plug. Now let's get back to the phone. Let's remove the temporary protective cover. Now let's set up the phone. The phone is very responsive. It's very easily set up. So let's set it up first, then take it for a test drive. Okay, now we've already set it up. As you can see, the phone is nice. It has a semi-premium feel to it. It has all the buttons in the right places, the speakers, the USB plug, the earphone plug. It has very nice thin bezels, as you can see here. Now let's take it out and do some real-world reviews. Using it outdoors, as you can see here, the speaker's nice and sharp. It's very crisp when you're talking to someone. The screen is also nice and bright even under direct sunlight, so you can easily use it. You can easily scroll it and you can easily browse the internet with it. The phone also takes awesome photos, whether on the go or traveling. It really takes good pictures and really delivers. It's also very responsive, as you can see here. We were browsing the internet and watching videos, so it has a very nice, crisp, clean screen to it. I recently took a trip to Thailand and took the phone with me. Here are now some shots from my visit to Thailand.
There you have it, guys, our latest review and unboxing of the Y71. So here at techbeatph.com, give this the silver rate for its entry-level performance compared to other entry-level mobile phones in the market. This ranks high up there. So similarly to the performance of other phones we've tested, this has amazing display during high brightness. It is amazing photography and it's amazing photos. So it's unfair to compare this to the Vivo V9, which is a flagship phone. But for what it's worth, and being the entry level, and this is at the price point, so this is truly another amazing phone. So if you're new to the channel, please give us a subscribe and click that like button if you like the video. Also click that notification bell icon for any news coming from techbeatph.com.